It wasn't record run in the league. Lovely ball in for Shabalala. That should be a free kick and possibly... What card's coming out here?
Well, initially he went for the red.
On the training ground over the last 6 weeks since coming back from their holidays. Iglobo! Oh, he scored! Stevens went the right way, but the power of the shot. Kaizer Chiefs have their first goal of the season. Barnes once more. Header! Cleared off the line. Setting out their stall. Siwelele winning in Durban City this afternoon. And here is Tlongwane. Oh! How close was that? Midway point of the first half here at the Atlo Stadium. Barnes looking for De Jong, gets the touch. Lovely ball from Palace, onside for Titus. Kupina waits in the middle. Titus, is he going to go on his own? What a shot that was! Barnes goes for goal! Oh my word! They've hit the woodwork again! What a kick that was! Oh, and the rebound! Gets it back. Now, can he drag it back here? Chance for Taylor. Play on, says the ref. Linesman put his flag up.
I think it's a head injury more.
De Jong. Shot from Mutsako was blocked by Globo in the attack. And here he comes along with Lilepo. He's in on goal. Lilepo! Offside. Flags up.
Yeah, he came from offside position.
To Lilepo. He'll bring a steady hand there. Straight into Sage Stevens' arms though. Now, Cross and McCarthy under a bit of pressure. Peterson taking no chances. R1,000 prize around about minute 60. So Dupree on. McCarthy climbing in there looking. Shabalala once more. Square ball. Duma in front of goal. Should have finished it off there. MTN8 for Sundowns, for Pirates, for Sekukuni and Stellenbosch. Dupree can finish it off here. Vilakazi in support. Ashley Dupree gets past Mdaka. Still Dupree. Mdaka. Is that a penalty? Ashley Dupree wins the penalty in the last minute. In the last seconds, I should say. Wild kick from the left back. And here and make 100% sure.